Welcome back. Today was one of those sunny but brisk winter days in Southern California, so I decided to go for a hike and enjoy the sun and cold air. Today was a perfect day for a cozy curry soup. The recipe I am sharing today is super easy, and it's also a great recipe for a day of cleaning out the fridge. Any vegetable would be great in this recipe, but today in the fridge I have yellow onion, carrots, potatoes, mushrooms, and cabbage. I'm also going to add in some spices, red curry paste, as well as 3 cans of coconut milk. This will make a really big batch of curry that will last me the whole week, or you could even put it in the freezer. I'm also going to add in red lentils for some protein. I'm going to start off with a little avocado oil and cook the onions and carrots. Once those are a little soft, I'm going to add in the potatoes, mushrooms, and cabbage. I'll then pour in the coconut milk and let that cook down with the rest of the veggies. Next, we're going to add in some spices as well as the curry paste and mix that all together. I'm now adding in the lentils. I didn't even measure this because it's just what I had left in the bag, but it's probably around 1 cup. I've also used garbanzo beans or green lentils in this recipe, which was also delicious. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of water, and I'm going to let this sit until the potatoes and the vegetables are all cooked through. I realized I had some fresh spinach on hand, so I chopped that up and threw that in at the end. I let this simmer for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes were completely cooked through. I then put the curry on a bed of brown rice and topped it off with cilantro and avocado, and it was the perfect cozy meal for this cold day. I hope you try this at home and enjoy, and I'll see you next time.